Greetings, friends. Watch Refrigeration News for Monday, November 16, 2020 on our channel. HB Products presented switches with circular electronic units with built-in heater. Area to present work of Real Alternatives for Life project at upcoming webinar. The new FREOR factory in Lithuania is starting operations. So, first news today. HB Products presented switches with circular electronic units with built-in heater. HB Products presented switches with circular electronic units with built-in heater. HB Products is a development-oriented Danish company, which specializes in the development and production of sensors for industrial and commercial refrigeration and heat pump systems. From end of September 2020, all the switches with the circular electronic unit HB Products will have a built-in heater. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Area to present work of Real Alternatives for Life project at upcoming webinar. On November 17, 2020, Area and Real Alternatives for Life project representatives, Marco Buoni and Blanca Gomez, will present their work in the training of RACH technicians at an online conference organized by the Ibero-American Network of Climate Change, RIAC, in Chile. Under the title Unquat, Actions and Measures to Reduce Greenhouse Gas Emissions in the Fluorinated Greenhouse Gas Sector and the Implementation of the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol Unquat, this webinar will present the experiences of several countries and organizations and their work to reduce emissions in the fluorinated greenhouse gas sector. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. The new FREOR factory in Lithuania is starting operations. FREOR, a successfully growing export-oriented Baltics manufacturer of commercial refrigeration equipment, has completed the construction of a new modern 16+300 square meter production plant in Vilnius, Lithuania. Both companies' business headquarters and production is moving to a brand new FREOR building. The move was planned without stopping the manufacturing process so that we could fulfill customers' orders to the best of our abilities. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.